In this video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guidance and content like this. Now, if you want to see who viewed the LinkedIn profile, what you're going to do right now, click on this me right, click on this view profile. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to scroll down gradually, and you can see from this my analytics, no one has viewed my profile, just 0 views, right? 0 profile views. So if I click on this impression, it basically means how my post has been seen, right? So I don't think no one has viewed my profile in the past couple of days right now, right? So if you check right here, you can see it's analytics, profile views, no viewers, right? So I should post more posts, right? So as I can reach out to a lot of people. So this is how you can check who, or this is how you can see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. If you find it today helpful, share that below in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.